Hey, beautiful soul. Whether you found this video through the Softening into Momentum podcast or through a meditation, maybe a social media reel or short that I posted that spoke to you, or if you're just curious about what this little community I've built actually looks like, welcome. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. Not a polished sales video or deep dive teaching or lesson, just a little tour. Because people ask me sometimes, a lot of times, what actually is the Metta Momentum Sangha? And honestly, it's part meditation space, it's part learning space. It's part compassionate corner of the internet. Part place to remember that you're human. So today, I thought I'd share my screen and walk you through how it works, show you how simple it is to join and interact, and then we can close with a tiny grounding practice together so you can actually feel a little bit of what happens inside the space. So, come on in. Let me show you around. So, this is the heart of the Sangha, the community feed. You'll find things here like daily reflection posts, weekly intentions, compassionate growth prompts, announcements, meditation reminders, real conversations, struggles, wins, questions. One of the things that I really love about this space, the Sangha, is that participation doesn't have to be loud. You don't have to show up as the most insightful person in the room. You can read quietly, comment whenever you feel called, practice at your own pace. You belong here, either way. And so one of the things that really makes this Sangha fun is the leaderboard. As you interact, you're posting, you're commenting, you're showing up here, you earn points, and then you gradually move through community levels. Different resources will unlock along the way. It turns growth into something a little bit more playful, a little more embodied, and a little bit less overwhelming, I think. So level 5, level 6, level 7, you'll see that. And right here, there's a tagged classroom lesson that will walk you through exactly how the system works. And so then one of the most common questions that I get is, how do I actually join a meditation, a live practice, which we do have one tonight. And honestly, it's really simple. All you'll have to do is go to the calendar tab right here, and you will see every single event, which is usually a live meditation practice, listed here. There's one tonight. You can click on it, and you can click on this Zoom link, and it takes you straight into the room, or you can add the link to your calendar of choice. If you don't get to this ahead of time, you can also just head to the community tab, and you'll see when we are live a big red live button right here. Click that and you'll meditate with us no complicated links or scavenger hunt to find something. This acts as your own personal app. And inside the Sangha, we gather regularly, weekly, for live Metta Moments. They are guided meditation experiences rooted in mindfulness, nervous system care, self-compassion and creativity, recovery support, and gentle personal growth. Come check it out. And then over here in the classroom, as I already kind of showed you, this is where some of the learning library lives. You have meditation resources, the entire Live Metta Moment Vault, practices, reflections, deep dives, teaching tools, study materials. Some of these things unlock as you participate, and then some live inside deeper support spaces like my Patreon. I wanted this community to feel a little bit like wandering through a quiet library, where there's always something, another doorway to explore when you're ready. So, that's a glimpse. Not all of it, just enough to help you feel the shape of the space. Before we finish, I wanted to offer you a tiny moment of practice. Nothing fancy, just a breath together. So, if it feels comfortable, wherever you are, soften your shoulders a little bit. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Again. Notice the weight of your breathing. The weight of your body. The fact that for this moment, you don't need to perform. You are here. And then gently ask yourself, what would it feel like to belong to yourself? Just a little bit more today. No need to answer that immediately. Just let the question sit. One more breath in and out. Beautiful. Thank you for spending this little pocket of time with me. If this space feels like something your nervous system has been quietly looking for, you are warmly invited. The Sangha is open, free to join. You can join it, explore, participate gently, or simply begin by saying hello. I'll put the link below in the description and wherever you are today. Please take good care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Namaste.